I'm willing to bet $5 I get shot right off the rip. Alright, who's there? One down. Oh, yep. Right on the head there. Are you fucking kidding me right now? How does that happen? Dude, come on. Shit, fucking, what the fuck? That was fucking stupid.
Dragons and Nomads, welcome back to the channel, and guys, welcome back to Nashville Airsoft. What you just saw was me playing some Speed Softs against some actual Speed Soft players. I got my ass handed to me, but it was pretty fun. Every so often at Nashville, they host Slaughter Night, which is essentially open play Speed Soft with Slaughter Gang, so it was pretty fun for me. I got to meet all those guys, hang out with them a little bit, so it was pretty cool. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I do want to let you all know that tonight, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, I'm going to be with Squirrely Nuts Airsoft on his YouTube channel during a live stream. I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description below. He said he has some questions for me. It's going to be like an interview. I'm really interested to see what he has for me. We're going to be talking all things Airsoft related, so if you want to see that, link in the description, 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Otherwise, let's get into this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go!
Yay.
I'm going.
That's not Fort Juan.
I'm going. Asgard.
Asgard.
I'm reloading. I gotta reload.
Yeah.
Take the move, okay? Oh, I see it now, bro. Yeah, I ran on it.
Hit! First shot goes right in my ass. Right cheek. Got one? Kill.
You're right. Right.
Come on. beat one of these games. It's cool. I'll just turn my brain off. Hit? Okay. Shit. Okay, he's dead. Kill. Yeah, I know. Got one.
What did you think was gonna happen when I pushed up here on the spot?
Yeah. Nice. One down. One down.
Push me! Push me!
You have one minute remaining. 1 minute remaining.
Got some more high kappa gameplay. Thank you. Hey, 17. God damn it. See him far out there?
I don't see you.
Good shot.
You have 5 minutes. Everybody respawn!
Yeah, there's a forklift right there. Be careful, guys. Woo. Paul, I need a high kappa.
I have a spare high cap. We will pick it up Monday.
I need one. Bitch. shit.
You have 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining.
You dead?
Yeah, I'm done with my card. Wait, so after you grab it, am I just supposed to like respawn?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
This was the very last game of the day, Saturday. The green team had basically given up before this game had really even started, so we were able to push right up into their spawn and trap them there the entirety of the game, so I actually ended up switching teams midway through. Now, this kid right here had pushed into the spawn several times and was shooting them directly in their spawn, so I knew that teams needed to be balanced. The ref called everybody back to respawn, which I thought maybe could have fixed the situation, let the green team push out a little bit more, but as you see here, they're all just standing 5 feet in front of their spawn. They have no interest whatsoever to move. You hear the players shouting, "We're all out." That's because they kept getting shot while they were standing inside of their spawn. This is when I made the decision to switch teams.
Good shit. Oh, it goes after that.
Right here, I'm running around directly next to the blue team's respawn. I get shot, put my hand up, give him a thumbs up to indicate good shot, start walking back towards my respawn.
How did it?
No, I was already hit. You're good.
You don't see it right now, but the kid that just shot me is following behind me.
Hey, don't shoot into spawns, dude. You don't gotta be a jackass about it, alright?
So these players that are not playing, they're standing inside of spawn with their guns down. He starts unloading on him, so I shot him in the back. I was standing about 5 or so feet right outside of my spawn. I felt like it was justified on my part. That being said, it's not something I recommend that you do. You can get kicked out for that. The main reason why I shot him was just to get him to push back away from the spawn. I wasn't trying to really be a dick or anything like that. I just wanted him away from the people that weren't playing.
Game over. Game over, game over, game over.
Nice jump.
After the game, I did talk to this player. He acknowledged what he did wrong and he apologized for it. I took this as a learning opportunity to teach him that airsoft is an integrity sport. We have to play it with integrity and respect for other players. We can't be shooting people while they're in their spawns not playing. He was very respectful about the situation, and overall it ended up very well. The referees did take action as well, which was not my place. I let them do their thing. I did show them the footage, however, but that is going to do it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a like, comment what you think down below. Don't forget, I'm going to be on Squirrely Nuts live tonight, 8 p.m. Be there, be square. I'll see you guys in the next one.